This is Math Week 3, Day 4, Wednesday, 29th of April. Kilometers and meters. This is your to-do list for this session. Your learning objective is to convert between kilometers and meters and record length using decimals. These are the resources needed for this session. And here is your warm-up. You're going to have to multiply by 1,000 and divide by 1,000. You have got 3 seconds in every slide before the answer appears. This is very important for today's lesson, as it's totally based on what we're doing next. So I'll let you do that at your own pace. And let's start by the objective of today's lesson. Kilometers to meters. A kilometer is made up of 1,000 meters. So, how many meters are there in 2 kilometers? In 5 kilometers? In 10 kilometers? What do you think? What do you notice about the answers? So, 5 kilometers is the same as 5,000 meters. 9 kilometers is the same as 9,000 meters, and so on. 10 kilometers is the same as 10,000 meters. Meters are smaller than kilometers, so there are more of them in the same length. There are 1,000 times more meters in the same length than kilometers. What calculation do we need to convert from kilometers to meters? Think about it. We need to multiply the number of kilometers by 1,000. So, we know here that if we multiply 2 by 1,000, it would be 2,000. 3 by 1,000, 3,000, and so on. A group of children in class 4W measured the distance of their journey from home to school. Some children set the distance in meters and some in kilometers. Take a look at the distances traveled by them. Some of them just noted it down in kilometers and some of them in meters. Let's see who was nearest and who was furthest. You need to arrange it here. Meters to kilometers. So, to convert from meters to kilometers, we divide the number of meters by 1,000. That means 5,000 meters divided 1,000 equals 5 kilometers. If this creates a decimal number, the thousands become meters. So 3,500 meters divided 1,000 is the same as 3 kilometers and 500 meters, which is 3.5. Convert these meter measurements to kilometers. Let's just check the first one here, and then you can try to do the rest at your own pace. So 6,000 meters would be how many kilometers? If we divide 6,000 by 1,000, we would have 6. So it's 6 kilometers. Comparing and ordering. So in this, you would need to use greater than or smaller than sign to compare the measurements. So what do you think? Is 5,000 meters more or 3.75 kilometers more? Let's make them the first unit, the same unit, I mean first, so that we can compare them. So 5,000 meters is the same as 5 kilometers. So is 5 kilometers more or 3.75 kilometers more? 5 is more, so this is the sign I'm going to use. And again, I'm going to let you go through the rest at your own pace. So you have some exercises to do here, just to practice what you have learned about converting from meters to kilometers and from kilometers to meters. Your success criteria is to be able to convert between kilometers and meters, and to use decimal notation to tenth to record length in kilometers. Your assignment is to solve page 24 from your 4B pupil book in your notebooks. Make sure you read and observe the example or hint boxes in the book to give you more guidance. When is it due? Today at 7 p.m. And you know how to send your work already. Thank you.